Document Editor Freelancer. Do you urgently need a professional document editor freelancer? Have you ruined the quality or layout of your important files with simple online tools? Solution: I will manually edit every pixel and text of your document. Using Photoshop and Acrobat, the fonts, watermarks, paper folds, and backgrounds will be 100% original. Even when zoomed in or printed in high resolution, the edited part will be impossible to see with the naked eye. Call to action: if you are looking for a trusted freelancer to edit invoices, utility bills, or any official PDF perfectly, knock on my door today. Pay only when you are satisfied with the work. Do you need to edit your important scanned files or PDFs? Don't ruin the professionalism of the files with any automated editor or AI tool. As an expert freelancer, I will make your documents absolutely perfect and invisible. Why choose my service? Pixel Perfect Edit, original font, color, and alignment matching. Invisible changes, text changes without watermark or background damage. Fast and secure, 100% privacy of your data and delivery in just 2 hours. Risk-free, view live demo before payment. Files we work on: invoices, bank statements, pay stubs, utility bills, rental agreements, etc. Caution: government ID passports are not edited. Contact us now to discuss your project. WhatsApp: +8801788716077. Website: tuner.com.